Mo. Hey, you have a card to send out? We'll get this to the Norwich campus. Happy holidays, Mo.
Happy holidays, Mo.
Wow, Mo, good job on your wreath.
Mo, happy holidays. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do this. But for you, happy holidays, Mo. Oh, Mo, this is beautiful. Did you make this with the horticulture students? It is gorgeous. Remember that day we spent together on campus? Well, here you go. I hope you like that photo.
Here you folks go. Drinks on the house. Happy holidays.
Oh, thank you so much. Happy holidays to you. Mo, cheers. Happy holidays from our Mustang family to yours.